Achieve better profits with these affiliate marketing tips. Affiliate marketing can be a clever and simple way to establish a solid income. Whether you partner with a big-name corporation or smaller unknowns, chances are you need some help learning the ropes of this intricate and fast-paced business. Read on for some very valuable information that you can put to practical and profitable use today. Offer visitors to your website exclusive content or services if they make a purchase from the advertisers in your affiliate marketing program. Do not restrict vital information this way, but make sure that visitors who do buy get something of definite value out of your website's bonus content. This will encourage both purchases from your affiliate and repeat visits to your website. When you join up for an affiliate program, you need to make sure that the service uses cookie tracking. This way, customers who were referred by you, but do not purchase their first time on the site, will still be your customers if they do happen to purchase a product. The service will recognize that they were initially brought to the site through your efforts. Seek out multiple commissions. Many companies offer several different ways to earn revenue, even from the same customer. These companies are some of the best to work for, because they offer you several ways to gain income from a single person. Read all contracts available and try to choose one with this option. It helps make earning money quicker. Be a seller, not a salesman. There is nothing that turns a customer off more than being thrown gimmicks and sales pitches continuously. Have respect for your consumer and recognize that if you subtly discuss the product well enough, you will have people interested in buying it. Don't force it on them. The best way to use affiliate marketing is to know your audience. You need to ask yourself why people are coming to your site, and what it is they want. Once you know that, you will be more successful because you will be able to give people what they are looking for. If you are just beginning with affiliate marketing, you should start with something you know a lot about. This may not bring you the most profits, but it will be easiest for you to build a site. You will be able to add your own opinions and personal touches to the site if you know about the subject. One advantage to doing your affiliate marketing through a robust, well-established network is finding affiliate vendors with extensive horizontal and vertical development. Some affiliate partners can offer commissions on the front end and the back end. They can upsell, downsell, and even cross-sell. Getting partnered up with such consummate professionals can be extremely profitable. As simple as affiliate marketing sounds, there is much to be learned, and hopefully, this video has taught you some of the most important tips and tricks for becoming successful in this business. It may start out slow or have your head spinning within a week, but either way, armed with the right know-how and with your work and determination, you will be an affiliate marketing success. Do you want to know how to leverage the power of a sales funnel to generate $100,000 in a month? I have great news for you. Today and today only, you can access 1. A free full course on the secrets of a sale funnel. 2. A free book on how to generate traffic for your offer. 3. Start to use my software for free to create your own affiliate program. Click the link below to start.